There is an hidden trick in this question. Can you find it? Today I have a very interesting question for you, which is 2 to the t is equal to t to the 32. What is the value of t? In order to solve this question, first of all, I want to get rid of this t. So in order to get rid of this t, I'm gonna raise both sides of the equation by 1 over t, as well as the right side, t to the 32 whole to the 1 over t. So there is an exponential formula, which is if we have x to the a whole to the b, then we can write this as x to the a times b. What do I mean by this? So it means if I have this form, I can write to this form. If I have this form, I can write to this form. This is core formula for this question. So we are going to use this formula a lot in this question. Let's continue. This is the core formula. You have to memorize this formula for this question. So here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eliminate t by t, and now we have 2 to the 1 is equal to t to the 32 over t. Nice. So what I'm gonna do now, I wanna get rid of 32 as well here. So in order to get rid of 32, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna raise both sides by 1 here. I'm going to raise both sides by 1 over 32. So what do I mean by this? It means I'm gonna raise this left side by 1 over 32 as well as the right side by 1 over 32. T times 1 over 32. So now I can eliminate 32 by 32. So we would have 2 to the 132 is equal to t to the 1 over t. Maybe you notice something here, guys, that here on the right side we have t. It means we have t to the 1 over t. But in the right side, we have 2 to the 1 over 32. Here, t and t, they are equal. But we have to equalize these two as well in order to find the value of t. So how we can equalize this two to find the value of t? So let's go and do it. What I'm gonna do, I say that I have the power 1 here because I'm gonna use this formula. So what I can do, I can write this form as this form right now. So let's go and do it. I have 2 to the 1 times 1 over 32. So I can write this as like 2 to the 1 whole to the 1 over 32 is equal to t to the 1 over t. So I didn't change anything. So let's go. Here I'm gonna, instead of 1, I can write 2 to the 2 over 2. It means I can write 1 as a 2 over 2. If I cancel out this 2, I would have 1. So that's why I can write a 1 as a 2 over 2. I didn't change the value, just I changed the form. Whole to the 1 over 32 equal to t to the 1 over t. So here, what I'm gonna do, I wanna keep the numerator and I'm gonna multiply 2 or 1 over 2 by 32. So I'm gonna keep 2 and then I can write 1 over 2 times 1 over 32 equal to right side we have t over 1 over t. Up to the hint, we don't change the right side. Just we want to make these two equal. It means we want to make something equal like this, that we find the value of t. Let's go and continue. So here, 2 to the 2, we know it's 4. Whole to the 1 over 2 times 32 is 64 is equal t to the 1 over t. So guys, you have noticed that 64 is not equal to 4, like right side, that we have t and t. So let's continue again. We do the same. Here we have 1 again, and what I'm gonna do is, instead of 1, I'm gonna write 2 over 2 and 1 over 64 is equal to t to the 1 over t. And then I'm gonna keep the numerator and I'm gonna multiply the denominator by 64 again. So I'm gonna keep the numerator at 1 over 2 times 1 over 64, which is t to the 1 over t. So again, 4 to the 2 is 16. It means 4 times 4 is 16. So 4 times 4 is 16 to the 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 64 is 128 is equal to t to the 1 over t. So maybe you noticed again that here we have t and t, they are equal, but here we have 16 and 122, they are not equal. Let's go and continue one more time. Here I have the power 116. Instead of 1, I can write 2 to the 2 and 1 over 122, which is t to the 1 over t. So let's go and continue again. I'm gonna keep the numerator 2 and I'm gonna multiply the denominator by 128. So let's go and do it. I'm gonna keep numerator and I'm gonna multiply the denominator by 128 is equal to t to the 1 over t. Then, so as you know, 16 times 16 is 256. So I'm gonna write 16 to the 2 is 256, and 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 122 is also 256 equal to t to the 1 over t here. Maybe you noticed here that right side you have t to the t, and here we have 256 to 256. It means now t is equal to 256. Finally, we found that t is equal to 256. This is our final answer, guys. See you in the next lesson.